Hello everyone, welcome to Creating and Recrafting. This is a monthly open collaboration hosted by myself and Creating with Jovi. And we are inviting you to use your stash. Use what you've already got and create something along the lines of the prompt that we give you every month. Now, this month I chose mini, and I've definitely gone mini. So as you can see by my massive hands, it is very small. It is 4 centimetres long by 3 centimetres wide. And I did make it from a template that I found on Pinterest. And I'm going to show you some of the steps that I took in a little while. I'm not going to go through the whole process because it did take a while, but I'm going to show you like little clips. And inside is a mini journal. It has 2 signatures that I've sewn in and some scrapbook paper on the inside and the outside. And inside I've got little pockets with things in and a little tuck spot there with a ticket in it. I've got a baby little tiny stamp in this one. So that's what I made, and I got so carried away making them that I made another one. Where did I put it? Look, I made another one. It's just, they were just, I sewed around this one, but I only put one signature in. But yeah, super cute. Super cute. And it just fits back inside the little matchbox. I know people have made them before, but it's the first time I've made one. And I thought they turned out really cute. So I'm going to show you a little bit of how I made it, in case you don't know. So you don't need to, if you want to miss that bit, I'll timestamp it so that you can jump forward to the prompt for next month. Okay. So all I've got to do now is make my score marks where they are supposed to be. And you do have to jiggle it around on your scoreboard a bit. If you haven't got a scoreboard, I'll show you a way I would do it if I hadn't got one. So this will be your outside, and you just fold it up like this. So that will be your outside of your box. Yeah, it's going to be slightly bigger than this one. So if you haven't got a scoreboard, I would do it like this, and I would get my ruler and I would just do this up against the side of the ruler. And that would score it exactly the same. Okay. So all the dotted lines are score lines, and all the straight lines were where you cut. So I've got that one and that one. So I've got all my folds done, and then you just need to glue it all together. What I do first is one side of this. And then just to make the box, and glue that one to that one. I want to make this one out of fabric. Don't ask me why I want to complicate things. I just do. I made the last one out of paper, but I thought, you know what, just for a laugh. This, I think this came from Melissa, and it's got like a coating on, and I'm thinking of just putting that on the back as the inside cover. So that is going to go on there. This is going to be super cute. I've got all these little mini journals. Raided my... I'm going to put that over there to dry. I've raided my scrap paper bin, and I want quite thin paper because I don't want it to be like massively bulky. Okay, so there we have a signature. And because it's only tiny, let's find an... That's going to be my cover. And it's just wrapping paper. Is it going to fit? A bit of a measure. It needs to be cut down, I think. No, I don't know. Embroidery thread. 3 holes, she says. I think I've done slightly too many pieces of paper. I'm going to fold that up and then jab through. I've got a sponge, but I just can't be going. I can't be getting up and getting it. And I'm going to put my needle through to keep that in the right place. And this is going to be the quickest 3-hole pamphlet stitch that you're going to see. Right. Oh, I just needed to get the hole through there. So then we're going to find the centre of this one. Roughly there. I'm going to go in. We're going to guess where that is. Sort of there. Pull it through. Go back up this one. It may not be exactly straight, guys. Just warning you now. And then back up the centre. But as long as it holds it together. Now, you've got to be careful when you're doing embroidery thread and you're coming back up the hole that you don't catch any of your threads because it won't pull through properly. And another thing is to make sure that one is one side and one is the other side. Like that. Pull them. Tie a wee little knot. And I'm just going to trim off the extra bit with my super not very sharp scissors. And that's going to be my little journal. It is a bit crooked. Oopsie. But you know what? It's fine. Look at that. That's not bad for a 5-minute journal. And you can decorate that however you like. So hopefully this is dry now. And we can just decorate this up slightly. I'm going to use some more of this and just put it in the bottom of the box. It's slightly too big. Or maybe slightly out. Glue that down. And give your journal a lovely little place for it to sit. And it's all coordinating. Now the only thing we need now is to decorate the top of your little matchbox, and also to put on a striking plate. So I've got some of this card that I'm going to use. Pen. Use the other end, it might be quicker. You've got a brown piece of card, use that. I'm just playing with what I've got on my desk. So you can then glue this to one side. There we go. Okay, right, now that is fine, I'm going to use that. And I'm just going to shabby up the edges. And then I'm going to glue this onto the top. Need some more on there. There we are. Just sort of hold it a minute or two just to make sure it's sticking. So we've got our little journal tucked up in the box. We're popping that in there, and there you go. So it is slightly bigger than my original one. I think they're both really cute. Okay, so for next month, Jovi has chosen around the house. I know, I am really looking forward to this one. Upcycle, recycle, redo a journal maybe, make something out of junk, make some art out of junk. It's an open collab, so you don't need to commit, just join us when you feel like it. We'll be doing them every month, every second Monday of every month. I'd just like to say thank you to everybody who joined in this month, and we will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.